Recently, Apple has introduced a new Mac operating system named Big Sur. In this video, we will share 5 important tips on how to prepare your Mac for macOS Big Sur update. So, tip number 1. Backup your Mac. For this, you should launch the Time Machine application from System Preferences and follow the on-screen instructions to save your data to an external drive. In the description under this video, you can find the link for a detailed guide on how to make a backup using Time Machine. Tip number 2. Clean up your Mac from all types of junk files. Before installing the system, you should free up your disk space. To quickly find and delete junk files, we recommend you using MacCleaner Pro software. This application allows you to clear cache, logs, and system junk files with a few clicks. To begin, launch MacCleaner Pro and click on the Cleanup button in the Junk Files section. Select unneeded junk files and click the Cleanup button. You can also switch to the Expert mode to clear even more types of junk files, such as mail attachments, screenshot files, and trash bin. Tip number 3. You should uninstall all unused applications, because they simply take up useless space on your disk. For this, we recommend you launch the Uninstaller directly from the MacCleaner Pro window. In the Applications tab, you can find all the applications from your Mac. Simply select all unused ones and click to remove them. Tip number 4. Delete duplicate files. Identical files, like duplicate photos, take gigabytes of storage space on your Mac. To clean up your computer from unneeded equal files, launch the appropriate tool from MacCleaner Pro window. Scan your Home folder, then select duplicate files, folders, or unneeded similar photos, and simply remove them. Tip number 5. Find and delete large unneeded files. It's likely that you have a lot of old and large files stored on your Mac. To analyze your disk usage, click the Launch Disk Expert button in the MacCleaner window. Once scanned, analyze your disk in the convenient sunburst diagram. Drop unneeded items to the section of the selected files and click the Remove button. That is how you can prepare your Mac for macOS update. To find more cleanup tips, follow the links under this video.